If you're not sure what I'm talking about, Bendy and the Ink Machine is an indie horror game where the main character, Henry, goes back to an old animation studio he used to work at 30 years ago. As you explore the studio, you can spot many of these cans along the way.
So this is how it will turn out. This is just an old one I had made a couple months ago, and that's how it should turn out. Alright, so first you can go grab a metal can and make sure it is 14.5 ounces. Take out whatever was in the can and put it away, and then just wash it and dry it. And it doesn't matter if there's any glue or paper there, it'll be covered. In this short how-to video, I'll be showing you how to get the Bendy bacon soup label. So first, you'll click on the link in the description box down below and copy the image to Word document, or if you use Google Docs. And you'll need to adjust the label so it's horizontal, and maybe you'll need to fix the width and stuff just to make sure it fits the can. It will take a couple tries. That happened for me too. And then just print it. After it's printed, then you can just cut it out. Place the paper underneath the can and then make sure the ends meet together. In the next clip, you'll see how I do it. So any type of glue will work. I used hot glue because I thought it'd probably stick better, and that's how it turned out. And of course, you could just put the lid right on with some hot glue on the edges, or you can bend the lid. Just bend in the middle, and then you can place it on the can. You can either hot glue it on the inside of the edges or do it on the outside. And here's how mine turned out. I did the hot glue on the outside, and if you accidentally bump the paper, you can always shift it back into place.